Oh, she likes to party, doesn't she? Oh, little one. Oh, little nuts there. And we're on the slalom in the second gear now. Whoa, it's partying. Whoa, little grindies. Little grindies. Woo! Dang, it was fun. I haven't been in a Subaru doing extra sideways comedy in a long time. Zoinks was a big old crest. Dang, these shots were good. I don't think we've ever run the Bilstein King combo in a proper Subaru. Down the second gear, into the figure eight now. Leaning on the power, leaning on the power. Third gear, up over the crest, bit of a hot skip and a jump. Oh, in the muddy beds through there. Ah, dang, it's some biscuits, boy, I tell you. I'm just excited because we have the full-size, like, open class Yokohama tires on this. Whoa! Got to turn the ABS off. These are big tires. I did not think they would fit. And here we are partying quite thoroughly with them, in fact. Woo! Down to second again. Nice and tidy. So we roll through. Third gear. Scandi flick over the crest. Up and bump through. Oh, into the mud again. Third gear's a bit optimistic through here, isn't it? Oh, that's wrong. Bang, man, I tell you what, this boy right here go good as a heck. It's pretty remarkable when, you know, you're used to driving 15-year-old STIs. It's basically the same thing, but it goes a little better and it's a little heavier. But at least heavier means that we have the luxury of seat heaters, both on low. Oh, that's nice. Real nice, that is right there. Here it is. Oh, it's like Lawrence of Arabia. Walls of dust blowing across the track. Feel like I'm in the middle of a Ben-Hur chariot race. There it is. Oh, that's a big rut there. Down to second. Down to second. On the jam, grabbing third up over the crest. Oh, riding the berm. That's quite lovely. We'll let that calm down a touch. I enjoyed it. Oh, man. It's important to just, you know, take a minute, just reflect, think about what 15-year-old you would think if you told him that you were driving a shiny new-ish STI around your own private 140-acre rally compound with your sketchy old World War II airplane hangar that you have as a workshop and all your buddies back there helping you do fun stuff, making YouTube videos and calling it work. You'd be pretty stoked. I mean, 33-year-old would be pretty stoked, so. Well, dang, now I can't decide, is a recce car, like if we're going to do recce with this car, it has to stay pretty stock. We can't put stickers, we can't wrap it. The exterior has to remain sort of anonymous if we're out doing reconnaissance and recce at rallies in it. So like on the one hand, I obviously want to do that, but on the other, like, well, what if we just wrap it? Do like a cool Hyper Blue themed rally ready livery for it. So I guess the real question is, what do you guys want to see? So leave me a comment. Is that what they call the thingy right below? Tell me if you want us to wrap it, or we should just leave it alone and let it be the, ooh, a little rub in there. Let it just be the old super slick Hyper Blue beast. Anyway, I don't know. This is great. I don't know what the point of this is, other than that we put a lot of cool parts on a car, and now it's fun and it drives fast, and I'm happy. I got a haircut and grew my hair back out, and I got a haircut again. So, all in all, I'd say 5 out of 5. Is there a review? I don't know what the purpose of this was, other than we just made a video that's fun, and I enjoyed making it. So hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and then you subscribe, and then more people do that, and then people watch our videos, and then people are stoked and give us more money to do cool stuff. That's it. That's it, pretty much. Just listen to America here.
Saying I just can't make it.
Please don't make us get real jobs.